Hi, I'm Anca, and this is the place to be to hear about the latest tech trends in healthcare. Today, we are here at VivaTech, and we will cover everything that's going on in healthcare and technology. So follow me to learn everything health and technology here. This year again, we are here with Abbott, and I'll be moderating a panel about preventive care and augmented patients with a panel of brilliant speakers that you will see in just a second. Follow me into the Abbott workshop. Today we are going to talk about a transformation in progress. How are we going from treating illnesses to preventing them? How are we moving from isolated interventions to continuous connected care?
We are standing on the sheer floor of the true revolution. I am convinced we are only just beginning to discover what technology can bring to pain management.
There is a piece of magic. You are able to understand, the way your metabolism work, and you can prevent. You can prevent by receiving an education, an individual education. So you know your metabolism. You understand the impact of your treatment. You understand the impact of your diet. So by managing this, you are giving to yourself a power of self-treatment.
The first step was to have Mon Espace Santé, the national platform, in place. And then we set it up at national programs called le Ségur de la Santé, so a financing program that we thought after the pandemic. And the key objectives are two: to ensure the connection between the e-health record from the professional, and to ensure with Mon Espace Santé, and to ensure that they are able to use these tools.
The first key principle towards ethic of AI would be not to block its spreading within the healthcare system. Otherwise, it would be a loss of chances for both professional and patients. I would say that the key issue, just like the European AI Act, highlights it, is the very notion of human warranty, human oversight of AI tools all along the pathway from conceptions to real-life implementation under the aegis of professionals of healthcare and representative of patients.
And we have thousands of data points that give us information about step count, sleep, heart rate. But how can we use technology to understand what treatment to seek, how to connect with caregivers, and how to make sustainable changes to our health? That's where AI comes in, and it's happening today.
Juicy is a solution for healthcare professionals where we leverage artificial intelligence to curate, filter, and digest all of the latest medical research into short form, easy to consume, digestible formats. So like bullet pointed resumes, podcasts, AI generated videos, infographics. And the idea is really to help healthcare professionals save time and stay up to date with the latest medical research in their field.
I'm here with Formation Bio. We are a AI native pharma company. We're based out of the United States. We've been working together with Sanofi for a couple of years in a few different capacities, but specifically working on developing an AI product for patient recruitment. We have within our business a number of different AI systems and tools that help us do significantly more efficient clinical development. And one of those pieces is related to patient recruitment for clinical trials. And so with Sanofi, we've been working on a tool called Muse, which helps create via generative AI a super efficient and very holistic set of materials for clinical trial patient recruitment strategy, and also the actual assets you would need to go market a clinical trial. So pamphlets, digital ads, communication, translations of those, and a view of sort of the segmented populations that you might want to market your trial to.
There are a lot of different things going on in the health and tech industry here at VivaTech. We saw a lot of things linked to biopharmaceuticals and purely healthcare and technology products and projects, especially with Sanofi and a lot of the startups that they have. But we also saw a lot of things in the field of well-being and wellness, things to help you with your supplements, to help you with your health and well-being in general. So take a look at some of these companies.
This is Beyond, your health co-pilot, your first ever personalized vitamins and supplements need. So through different types of information, like a blood test, a smartwatch, and a questionnaire, we are able to know exactly what you might need in that moment and the supplements you're lacking.
PoweredScan is an oxidative stress diagnostic technology. We are the first solution in the world which enables oxidative stress diagnosis in real time on retail shop, in a pharmacy or a doctor consultation. We have a sensor patch with proprietary electrodes which is connected to the device, which can be clamped at the hand, and we send it to our cloud server, and within 10 minutes you have a report of your oxidative stress status.
What we have is our AI health companion for you at home, right? So we bring clinical or medical grade diagnostics to your home, so you don't have to go to a clinic, you don't have to always look for a doctor, you just can do it where you are, which is at home. So we test different things, right? I mean, here it's all medical data, right? And it's all profiles. So we have everything locked behind the Face ID. Here's just a guest profile, so we can just put into our arm and get the blood pressure taken here. This is one metric we get. We have additional ones, right? We have ECG, we have body temperature, we have oxygen, and for all those we have extra devices so that we can provide or even guarantee medical accuracy.
All right, so my ear set is working together with the head, and then what we provide is a kind of a ring device that is a kind of wearable device for the other finger. Then the control is done by just using this one. I do the same thing, like this way, and then grasping and releasing, like the way. This is motion-mimicking prosthetic device. If I go there, yeah. This is not magic, but this is like a math and a little bit of algorithms for controlling like that way. A little bit of AI and a little bit of programming, but mostly on another kind of development.
Thank you so much for following this vlog here at VivaTech. I hope you enjoyed discovering a bunch of new healthcare and technology startups, and that you also enjoyed our panel conversation with Abbott. I will see you soon for another tech adventure in healthcare.